Hi everybody and welcome back to Texas Decor and More. Well, in today's video, this is what we have going on currently at my house. It's my birthday on this day, and what you see here is a whole lot of mess. Oh yes it is. I returned home from work. That right there is my old AC unit. I think it was a 1982 unit. We've been having really a lot of problems with the AC last summer and this summer too. So yeah, that's all the old stuff they took out. That's trash.
This part right here looks like it was burning up.
That's how bad it was. I was trying to get close up, but if you see a lot of this kind of like in the background, it's because I didn't want to get too close to the workers and bug them while they were working. But I did want to get some footage of it, like what they were doing. So they're replacing everything on the inside of our AC and also giving us now a 3-ton unit. So I'm just, filming what's going on. They're out there working. Right there, they're bringing stuff into the house. At this point, they had been here since 10 o'clock in the morning, and when I came home from work, it was already like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And me and my husband sat outside probably till about 7 and let them finish up what they were doing. Oh, wow. This is what's going on inside the house. They've got all this down on the floor. They're putting all of that in there. I don't want to get too close to them. So this guy right here, he's the cleanup guy. He's the one that comes and gets all the trash out of the yard and everything. So he just pulled up to get the rest of the stuff out of my yard because we're about an hour and a half away from it being actually done and finished. Y'all, this was an all-day process, but let me tell you, I am so grateful. I have an attitude of gratitude because now the AC is blowing so cold in my house on a temperature of 76 degrees, and it's wonderful. And also, I would like to mention that my light bills the past 2 months have been $500. So this was needed to keep, those electric bills down. But yeah, this guy right here, he's just walking back and forth, getting all the trash out of my yard, and making the yard look nice again.
work. Stand up and eat. Go back. These guys do these every day for me.
That's the new one.